Yeah, hi, welcome to John Banks Hyundai here in Cambridge. Here we have a brand new Hyundai i10, Lumen grey, premium grade, brand new car pre-registered with a £2,000 saving on a 25 plate, with about 25 miles there on the register. With the premium grade, you've got heated seats and the heated steering wheel, wireless charging pad. It's a 5-speed manual, infotainment system with navigation, DAB radio, Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto lights, rain sensor wipers. You've got the 25-year model digital display there, height adjustable driver's seat, you've got folding wing mirrors, privacy glass, you've got rear parking sensors, rear parking camera. Excellent car, excellent refinements for a perfect city car. So here we have on site, brand new vehicle, Hyundai i10 premium grade with the 5-speed manual. My name's Darren Briggs. Give me a call, come along, take a look, take a test drive. Can be reached on 01 223 272 786. Thanks for watching.